Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is the second installment of our series on your credit score, know it, and protect it. The fourth factor that we're going to talk about is the number of inquiries and gaano katagal ang gap between the inquiries. Remember, 10% of your score is affected by this. How can you improve your score in this category? When you apply for credit or mortgage, make sure you inquire between banks and financial institutions within 15 days. Basically, Equifax gives you an allowance of time to compare between financial institutions. After the 15th day and another institution checks it, it will affect your score. That's why it's good to approach a mortgage broker because we shop around for you and pull your credit history only one time. Second, it's okay to request and check your own credit report. Hindi makaka-apekto ito sa inyong credit score dahil you can get a free copy naman and it's you, it's not a credit institution. In order to do that, you can call 1-800-465-7166 Mondays to Fridays between 8 to 5 EST. Kung merong error sa inyong credit score, please call this number para ayusin yon. The fifth and final factor is the credit mix. Again, 10% of your score. It talks about number of accounts and types of accounts. So maganda kung merong iba-ibang mix sa inyong credit history. Some credit cards, some line of credit, or some RSP loans. But remember, I'm not saying go out there and get those credits now to improve your score. This is only 10%. Kung hindi nyo kailangan, don't apply for a loan just to improve the mix. Okay? Tips to improve your score in this category: have at least 2 credit cards, but please make sure you pay them on time. Okay? Minimum lang. Second, in general, having credit cards and installment loans, e.g., example, car loans, RSP loan, small loans, and making payments on time will raise your credit score. Someone without credit cards actually is a higher risk than someone with a couple of cards and pays them on time. Kaya if you have friends or family just came to Canada, the best advice that you can give them is to watch this blog and encourage them to open a credit card or 2 right away. Kung hindi sila makakakuha agad ng credit, sabihin ninyo na magbigay ng collateral sa banko, let's say $500 or $1,000, and then you give them to the bank and sabihin sa banko, heto ang 500 ko or 1,000, bigyan mo ako ng credit card in the equivalent, for the equivalent value. After 6 months to a year of good credit history, pwede na nilang i-release yung collateral na binigay ninyo. This is what the banks think. Paano nila kayo pagkakatiwalaan ng $200,000 loan, 300, 400, 500, kung hindi nila alam kung kaya ninyong disiplinahin ang sarili ninyo sa $500? Remember po, lahat po ng categories of data ay ginagamit to calculate the score. A credit report is a statistical program driven by formula. Walang taong nag-a-assign ng score, and it's all based in math. And it's a snapshot in time. Also, hindi yan ina-update ng mga banko every day. Some banks report every month, some every 2 months. So when your credit history is pulled sometimes, the loans that you paid already will still show na outstanding kasi they haven't updated it yet. Your score can change and can vary from time to time. That's why it's always a good idea to get a credit check annually so you can get that for free. Finally, it's impossible pong masabi how any one factor will influence the score. Remember that kasi nga overall credit picture po ito. Finally, here's the information on how long certain items stay on your credit report. Inisip natin minsan pag merong something outstanding, it stays there for a while. Some yes. Judgment, court cases, example, bankruptcy and divorce decrees, 6 years from the date filed. Collection item, paid or unpaid, 6 years po mag-show from date last paid. Trade items, 6 years po nag-show yan. Bankruptcy, it will show 6 years from the date na discharge and 7 years from the date filed. Double bankruptcy, hopefully doesn't happen. 14 years from the date settled or filed. Secured loans or mortgages, 6 years po yan mag-show from the date filed. Banking items, 5 years from the date filed. Garnishment or liens, 6 years from the date filed, and any foreclosure, 6 years from the date filed. Again, in conclusion, just remember, the phone number to contact is 1-800-465-7166, 1-800-465-7166, if you want to obtain a free copy of your credit history. Please contact me if you need any clarification on anything about this blog, and I'd like to thank Equifax for providing us with this information. Thank you.